What up, tube? Today is Thursday, July 5th, the day after 4th of July, guys. Headed to work right now. We are open. We don't stay closed just because yesterday was a holiday. We even opened yesterday. Yesterday we were slammed. Luckily, 4th of July landed on my day off, so I still took my day off because I worked on Tuesday anyway, so I wasn't about to work 7 days. But we were slammed and they were really busy and the guys held it down, so that was a good thing. So today is July 5th, it's the day after a holiday. So I think today I'm going to dedicate my vlog to talking about making yourself available, guys. Your availability to your customers. Like, are you available on the day after a holiday? I am. Do you make yourself available during holidays? Like, are you open on, were you working yesterday? It was July 4th, you know? Yesterday was an extremely busy day, guys. I didn't work only because it was my day off, my normal day off. I normally take Tuesday, Wednesday off. I worked Tuesday because Tuesday was busy also, so I wasn't gonna work yesterday. Plus I had family coming over, I barbecued and stuff like that. So I really didn't have time to go do that, to go work yesterday. So yesterday I relaxed most of the day. It was nice. It was nice. So we hung out by the backyard all day long. I got to make some food for my fams. I even jumped in the pool that we got my granddaughter. It was cool, man. We had a good time. Took the drone up at night. Check out the video that I posted on the YouTube channel. Took the drone up right when the fireworks were going off. Pretty sick, man. I had never done that before, so that was interesting too. So, guys, getting back to the subject, availability. You know, you have to make yourself available, guys. We're in a customer service based industry, so you need to be available for your customers. If you're not there for your customers, then, you know, if you're not available for holidays, and that's when people want haircuts the most. You know, we all want to take holidays off. Trust me, so do I. I want to have Friday and Saturday off too, but you know, that doesn't work that way. If you want Fridays and Saturdays off, you're in the wrong business. You know what I mean? Because that's when our business thrives, is on the weekends. So we have to be available and we have to be ready, and we got to be ready to work. So I'm gonna head to the shop right now. We'll discuss this a little bit more later when I take my break. But I'm gonna post up some haircuts. Make sure you check out my vlog for yesterday. It's pretty interesting from the 4th of July. Just hanging out with the family, guys, and having a good time and relaxing. And that's what life's all about. You know, we work hard, so we have to enjoy ourselves also, and that's what it comes down to. And I always try to enjoy myself, you know. So guys, headed to the shop. We'll get into this a little bit later.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
How are you making yourself available for your customers? Huh? What do you do? I mean, if you're doing appointments, I guess you're making yourself available, but are you making yourself available at all hours? Man, I heard barbers working until 10 o'clock last night on a 4th of July night. That's crazy. That's insanity. I mean, why would you do that? I wouldn't. I love having set hours so that when it's time to close, it's time to close, it's time to go home. I don't have to be worrying about that. You know? That's how my shop does. I really don't do after-hour haircuts, and you know, I mean, unless it's for extra, for somebody special. Okay, going into this bank. So today I'm leaving a little early. I gotta go take mom to doctor's appointment. It's an unexpected doctor's appointment. She's been having a little issue with her leg, so Want to make sure we help her and take care of her. So we had an appointment for tomorrow morning, early in the morning, but they canceled it and they changed it to today. So now I gotta take her today. We gotta be there by 3 o'clock, which is not a problem. It helps out mom, you know. As long as her legs get better, that's all that really matters. So I'm headed back to the shop right now. See if I get some haircuts posted up before I jam. And then we'll see how we close this day out today, guys. You guys should be at work. If you're not at work, come on, guys. It's been a busy day today. You know what? Right here in the Los Angeles basin, it's going to be 110 degrees tomorrow and Saturday. So just imagine all these people, they're going to want haircuts. Nobody wants to be all shabby when it's that hot. So I expect it to be extremely busy this weekend. All right, guys, I'm going to head back to the shop, finish my day out here. Like I said, I'm leaving a little early today. So remember, guys, what we were talking about earlier. Make yourself available, guys. You got to be available. You have to put your hours in. You got to put your time in. Even if it's not busy, you have to be there. That's what it's all about. Making yourself available for your customers. All right, guys, back to the shop. Talk later.